Have you ever wondered what would happen if a giant meteor suddenly struck the Earth? Not in a movie, not in science fiction, but in our real world, right now. Above our heads, the universe is filled with rocks, asteroids, comets, meteors, some small as pebbles, some massive as mountains. Every day, Earth's atmosphere burns up countless tiny meteors before they reach the ground. But what if one of the big ones broke through? What if something the size of a city came hurtling toward us at unimaginable speed? Imagine it, a massive fireball striking the Earth. The ground, shaking like the Earth itself, is screaming. The blast wave flattening everything for hundreds of miles. It would be louder than anything humanity has ever heard. The shockwave would circle the planet, and in a single day, life as we know it could change forever. If it hit the ocean, the impact would hurl billions of tons of water into the atmosphere, creating mega tsunamis taller than skyscrapers. Entire coastlines would vanish. If it struck land, firestorms would ignite forests and cities alike, and the skies would fill with dust and ash. The sunlight would fade, temperatures would plummet, and global winter would set in. This is not fantasy. It has happened before. 66 million years ago, a meteor hit what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. In one instant, the dinosaurs' reign ended. They had ruled the Earth for more than 160 million years, yet one single impact erased nearly all of them. If it happened once, it can happen again. Today, scientists know of thousands of near-Earth objects orbiting silently in space. Most are harmless, but a few are big enough to cause a global disaster if they hit. And here is the unsettling truth. Some of them pass close to us, closer than the moon, without us even noticing until after they've gone by. So the question is, could we stop it? For years, scientists have studied ways to defend Earth from such a threat. In 2022, NASA launched the DART mission, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. A spacecraft intentionally crashed into an asteroid, proving we could slightly change its course. It was a small test on a small target, but it showed something incredible. Humanity has the potential to push back against space itself. Other ideas are being explored: giant lasers, nuclear deflection, gravity tractors that slowly pull an asteroid off its path. But all of these are only theories until the day comes when we may truly need them. And that day could arrive without warning. But beyond the science and the fear, there is a deeper truth. The possibility of an asteroid strike reminds us just how fragile life really is. Think about it. Our planet spins at exactly the right speed, tilted at exactly the right angle, orbiting at exactly the right distance from the sun. Too close, and we would burn. Too far, and we would freeze. Every breath you take is possible because of a delicate balance that holds the universe together. Is it all chance, or is it design? Every sunrise, every heartbeat, every new child born into this world is evidence of how precious and extraordinary life is. And sometimes it takes looking up at the dangers above to realize the miracle of what we already have here below. Now, picture this. If tomorrow we learned that a meteor was truly on a collision course with Earth, what would matter most? Would it be the money in your bank? The arguments you had? The fears you carry? Or would it be love, faith, hope, and the bonds that connect us all? The universe is vast. Humanity is small. And yet, against all odds, here we are, alive. Maybe that itself is the greatest miracle. So, what if a meteor hit the Earth? Could we stop it? Maybe. Would we survive? Possibly. But the truth is, every day we are already living on borrowed time, gifted with another sunrise, another chance to breathe, another chance to find purpose. And perhaps the real question is not whether a meteor will strike, but what will we do with the time we already have? If this message made you think deeper about life, time, and the mysteries of existence, I invite you to join our community. Subscribe to Time and Secrets, where together we uncover the questions that science asks and the truths that faith reveals. Because the universe is full of secrets. And one by one, we will discover them together.